Hello and welcome back to another review of the IKEA car. My name is Polo and today we are going to review this Toyota GR86 Cup from Hot Wheels J Imports number 10 from 10. This is the 2024 series, number series 2203 from 250. This is the shortcut of this Toyota GR86 Cup. Came in blue. Okay. Tony Bradinger, okay, and this is the back of the card of this Hot Wheels. Let's go with unboxing it. Okay, let's go. We open this Toyota GR86 Cup of short card number color blue. There you go. Okay, let's see for the left side first. This is the Toyota Super GR Tony Bradinger. Oh, Roman Empire. This is the Roman Empire, means the WWE Roman Empire wrestling. Maybe, right? Interesting. See the side mirror here, left steering wheels. This is the way it looks for the front of the car. You can see the livery for the headlights is great. Toyota logo on the hood is also looking great. The hood is also looking great. The right side is the same as the left side of the car. You can see this is also written Roman Empire here. The back of this is the back of the car, the rear parts of the car. Feels like nothing there, but just mold. Maybe the taillights there mold. Okay, the spoiler is okay. This is a big spoiler with two muffler here. Okay, this is the wheel for the top, and this is the wheel for the base. 2023 model. Okay, comes Roman Empire.